okay to ask questions also. So hub switch is completed, then we'll go to the router. Of course, router don't have much complexities, but still there is so many things. Okay, I will go to router, not bridges. So and I will also tell two more commands for this one. Router is also a intelligent device. Switch is also a intelligent device. Okay. So guys, compulsory differences wise also you have to learn and remember. Okay. And switch works with MAC address and understand MAC address. But router is understand logical addressing, means IP address kind of stuff. Okay. Router is a internetworking device. What is internetworking? Communication between two or more networks, two or more different networks. Router works in a LAN and as well as a WAN communication. Okay, router one side you can connect it to your LAN, and other side you can connect it to WAN connectivity. In your WAN connectivity we can use router. In LAN also we can use router, but not like a switch. Not like a switch. Not like a switch. See, this is how routers look like. Okay, this is the how switches look like. So if I open switch, can you see how many number of ports? Lot of ports are there. Okay, so what we can do, so we can connect our systems to the switch like this. You have a computers. I want to connect to the switch. I have so many days over now. So switch has so many ports. Guys, this is a Cisco packet tracer. We are used to for practicing Cisco routers, switches, and also for it is a kind of a simulator. So this is I am connecting. See, this is side this completely a LAN communication, one network, and I have another network now. So this is I have a different network now and different LAN communication, right? Different LAN communication, and in that another LAN we may have a computers, right? We may okay. So at end devices, and end means in an office or a home, we have our own devices. Okay. It's a big challenge always. Okay. So this is a network. No. This is a router. So this is we can remove this one. This is a router. So So one side of router, this is other side, front, back side of routers. The router having a console port for configuration, that is I said a rollover cable. In WAN connectivity, usually we use, okay, this type of, what we can say, it's a smart serial connectivity. So in WAN side of connector, so we need a serial port to connect. Yeah, I know you may not get it, but look at how the router is look like. Okay, now I'm connecting from here. So it is asking, see this particular port, I inserted a new port here. So WAN connectivity. This is LAN connector. Okay. So somewhere it is a new simulator. There's a boxes. Also you can draw. Now fill boxes. See, this is one LAN. This is another LAN. Because I use both the words, you may get confused. That is, so both LAN, how it is work. See, one side it is LAN, but see, it's a pure WAN connectivity. Okay. This is WAN connectivity. This is LAN connectivity. Okay. Of course, this is a good diagram also. Can we take screenshot of this one? What is this? This is a Windows Ink feature, guys. You right click on a taskbar. So you will get this Windows Ink feature here. Show Windows Ink space button. If you select this one, it will show this kind of pen symbol. If you click it, you will get a whiteboard, or you will get, and also will get a full screen snippet. I have taken a full screen snippet here, and also you can simply edit a pictures from this way. Okay, so this is some LAN connectivity. This is a LAN. This is LAN. This is WAN. WAN communication. For example, my office is in Hyderabad. My another office is located in Pune. Another office is in New Jersey. Different geographical location. Okay. Some Pune. Okay. Yeah, we can use that one here. It is a very big one. Okay, guys, it is both WAN and LAN. Router is a layer 3 device. Router is a layer 3 device. Just before I showed a router, right? That is how physically look like this. Okay. So it can connect like this, one side one router, one other side another one, kind of stuff. And this is how physically it is look like. Okay, so this is another diagram which we taken a screenshot. Once again, guys, so router works with the logical addressing, means IP address kind of stuff. It is internetworking device. What is internetworking device? This is different network, this is different network, different network. So we are making communication between these networks is a internetworking. So router is a internetworking device. Works in both LAN and WAN communication also. Router is a layer 3 device. As per OSA layer, it is a layer 3 device. It's a network layer. What is meant by root? It is not router. Actually, we have to say it is router. Actually, we have to say router. Root. What is meant by root? Root means path. Root means path. Okay. So what router will do? It shows best path to reach the destination. I want to reach from here to here. What is the path? I want to reach from here to here. What is the path? So that shows best path to reach the destination. I want to reach Amazon.in. I want to reach Google Docs. I want to reach YouTube.com. Okay. How to reach? There are located in different locations, right? Different geographical location. How can I reach? In between, there is a several routers. The routers will tell you how to reach the destination. What is the best path to reach the destination? Shortest path, or maybe a good bandwidth path. Okay, how to reach the destination. And how router knows how to reach the destination? Router also should know how to reach the destination. So it uses routing tables. Router uses routing tables to know how to reach the destination. Okay. So router uses routing tables to get to know how to reach the destination. These routing tables are created by manually or statically. Means you have to go to router. Oh, see. Okay. So you have to go to router. In this router, we have to tell what is the path to reach from this network to this network, from this network to this network, how to reach. I have to tell in this router. And also have to tell in this router how to reach from this network to this network. In this router, same. Okay, I have to tell about this network to this network communication. Okay, here I will take a different color for this explanation. In this router, I have to tell about this network, this particular network, and this network. That information is there. In this particular router, I have this network information and this network information already there, this network information and this network information. Like that, so router must have a information about how to reach other devices in different network. Okay, how it will be done? Either you can enter manually or it will be created automatically. We create manually means it is called as static routing. It is called as static routing. You are using a certain protocols like RAP, EIGRP, OSPF, using a certain routing protocols. and you can able to get routing table automatically. Okay, by using certain routing protocols, like I have to if I configure RAP here, RAP here, RAP here, RAP here. So this RAP protocol will try to build a routing table. It will build a routing table in my router. Using that routing table, I can able to reach my destination. Okay. Guys, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Once
sir.
again, we'll see hub. Hub is a non-intelligent device used for LAN communication. Hub,
Sir, please share all these notes to us
you have a notes. This is running notes only.
on
You have
WhatsApp
running.
or by email.
In WhatsApp, it is already shared 2 times. And also, if you are in the my Google Classroom, it will be there in the Google Classroom also. And I will connect a test today, guys. So, okay, today or tomorrow. So I will put another test number 2. So compulsory. So, okay.
Sir, tomorrow there will be a class of
Uh,
technical.
for tomorrow, you don't have a class. Okay, morning I have a batch. Morning class is
Okay.
afternoon tomorrow afternoon
Here
because my
holidays.
apartments they're putting music system for Shivaratri. Okay, so tomorrow, day after tomorrow, no class. Again Monday.
From Monday there would be a class.
Again next month. Yeah, from Monday onwards we'll continue the class.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So this is the daily notes is for you. If you go to class work, you can see daily notes. This is your daily notes. You open, view the material, open the link, you will get it. Okay. In a stream also, you have a link. Guys, all networking related videos I will post here in one place only. Okay. So if you are missing somewhere like in this list, so you don't miss it. If any requirements also put a comment here. Okay. Pictures, materials, links. In this one also, you will get a PPT. This is my networking PPT. This is our daily notes. I think you guys are in all are available in this one. Okay. Yeah. So where it is hub intelligent device hub sorry, does not understand non-intelligent device. It does not understand MAC address or IP address. Hub is used for LAN communication, small networks, layer 1 device it is. Hub broadcasts packets to every device in the network. Whereas coming to the switch is also switch is intelligent device, understand MAC address, it learn the MAC address, it maintain the MAC address table. If we are using switch for LAN communication, it is a layer 2 device, both small and large networks. Okay, switch is initially broadcast the packets to everyone in the network, like a hub initially, but later once it is learn the MAC addresses based on the MAC address and their connected port number, it use unicast. And there is a layer 3 switches. The layer 3 switches work like a switch as well as a router. A router is also an intelligent device. It is intelligent device is not a big deal, guys. So that is not one point. Okay, it's just a point. Okay, so router works with a logical address. Switch work with a physical address, means MAC address. Router is internetworking device. It make a communication between different networks. It works in both LAN and WAN communication. It is a layer 3 device. A router, the word is route. Route means path. The router shows best path to reach the destination. Okay. How router knows how to tell the path by using routing tables. Okay. So if you you can create like in a router, if you create your own routing path, that is static routing, or router learn the routing path by routing protocols, dynamic routing protocols. That is a dynamic routing. Okay. So here I have to tell about a modem. So I will tell about modem first. Actually, I will tell about ping and trace RT command, but just a modem I will tell. This I already told guys in a first day class only. I told how we are connecting, and instead of all these things like instead of switches, wireless access point, routers, and modem, everything is replaced with a one Wi-Fi router. That's why whenever we hear about networking components, things look like a new one. Okay, so Wi-Fi router is different. Wi-Fi router plus modem plus Wi-Fi access point. So like these are a different kind of stuff. Okay. So last one is the modem. What is modem? Modulator and demodulator. What is modem? Modulator and demodulator. So normally, just for our understanding, our voice is 20 to 20 kilohertz frequency only. Okay. So if you are speaking and that should be travel to some long distance and it should be received by receiver. It's difficult, right? So what we do, we modulate our signal and send it. Other side, they demodulate it and receive it. Example, FM radio. So FM radio, people are speaking, playing songs, playing advertisements with a particular signal. It's a standard signal. Okay, they modulate the signal and put it on a high frequency signal 104, 93.8, 98.3. Okay, so they were a different high frequency signal. So when you tune to the particular signal, so you will demodulate it. So your receiver demodulate the signal and we can able to see it. The same way guys, in a computer, in a basic computer network like your LAN network, the signal is a digital form of signal. Not single, it is signal. The signal is it's a binary types digital form of signal it is. But you cannot send this LAN signal to the long distance because you want to connect it to internet, you have to connect it to ISP. ISP is located in some distance, right? So how we can able to send up to ISP to further over the modems only, over the modems only. Okay, so what it will do, modem converts your digital signal to analog signal. Okay, so what is the purpose of modem guys? It make you connected to internet from your modem to, okay, from modem to ISP we are connecting using telephone cables. Already I told this telephone cables or a fiber optical cables. Okay. For example, you are using Geo fiber, Airtel fiber. So what they are using fiber optical cables. In old days we are using BSNL or Airtel also use telephone cable to get connected. Okay. So this is a modem. Modem make you to connect ISP. So you can use telephone cables. Modem connected to your internet. So without a modem, you cannot connect it to internet. Of course, your Wi-Fi routers have a built-in modems inside. That's why we can able to get connected. So this is about your modem. Okay. Any questions, guys? Nice. Yes, are up to here. Okay. No one is speaking anything, guys. I need a 10-15 minutes maximum. If you don't speak, I can't do anything. So there's two important commands.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the ping? Actually, ping has a abbreviation, packet internet grouper. But another hand, what is the use of this ping command? What is the use of this ping command? Ping command use it to test connectivity between used to test connectivity between the devices. Okay, how it is works. For example, I have a source PC. Okay, the source, for example, it is a PCA and ping. So what I want to do is I'll draw some diagram here. So then how it is works. We can do it. So you don't know the IP addresses part, no problem. So we don't require to learn IP addresses immediately to understand this concept. Okay, and of course, so connectivity. I'm using it's a computer PCA, PCB. Every PC has a IP address, right? Every PC has their own IP address. Okay, so for example, A PC having A IP address, B PC having B IP address. Okay, so I'm not giving any example IP address, otherwise I will give, no problem. 10.0.0.11, maybe 1, it is good. 10.0.0.2, so B IP address. So A, we are connected. So what I'm doing at PCA, what I'm doing, I'm pinging. I put a command. It's a command prompt command line. So it's a command ping to B means 10.0.0.2. What I meant is I want to test connectivity between A to B. Ping PCB into PCB from PCA ping to PCB. So at PCA, I use the IP address, PCB IP address, and what I will get it, PCB will get a reply from 10.0.0.2. Okay, some few things I will get it. Means A to PCB and PCB to PCA connectivity is there. Okay, so we have to test the connectivity. Okay, so I'm giving normal example, guys. It's a for testing purpose. So what ping is telling, you are able to communicate. What ping is telling, it tells, are you able to communicate? Means your device, are you means your device is able to communicate to the destination device. tells.
Didn't understand the fourth line. I mean, CMD is greater than ping. That part.
Yeah, no, it's not like this. It's a command prompt kind of stuff. Very good.
Yeah, one prompt line.
It shows like this.
Yep.
So it represents a command line. Otherwise, you can use colon like that also. So meaning is we are putting ping in command prompt, not somewhere.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Even that is also details. Also, sometimes it is important, like when you do see the document and do the work, it shows like this. Then confused. So that's why it's a good thing you are asking. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is that? So what is a ping? Tells that you are are you tells your device are able to communicate to destination device. That's the point. Okay. So I will show one command, guys. That is a simple command. Anyway, it is open. Ping command only. But I'm trying to communicate to my distance part. Yeah, this is good. Can I able to communicate it to google.com? See that I'm getting a reply from google.com IP address. First, I got an IP address of google.com
Sir,
and I get a reply from google.com. Yeah, tell me.
so can we say the ping command works on the same principle as a DNS service request works?
Yeah, whenever I just ping is trying to get a connected to www.google.com server, but our system don't know IP address of www.google.com. So automatically system send a request to DNS server, get an IP address first, then communicate with the IP address. Okay. So while you are
What is the
communicating,
difference
what is?
between ping command and DNS service request?
Yes, I'm trying to communicate. System don't know IP address of it. So it will ask a DNS server, I need a IP address of google.com and I got an IP address. Then ping send a request with the IP address. I'm getting reply from that IP address only. Okay. Even you open a website, we may not shown the IP address of this w3schools.com, but internally it is happens. It's not showing outside. Okay. Few points I want to add, guys. Ping uses ICMP protocol. Ping send echo request. Sending
So
echo request. Receive.
What is ICMP protocol?
Yeah, it's a kind of protocol. We are using HTTP protocol here. Same way, it is a protocol. So, different services, different type of protocols. Good.
Do we need to go to the details of these protocols or the
I will tell in another class, next class. Okay. Anyway, we are going to discuss HTTP, FTP, SMTP. You want to mail communication, SMTP, POP3, IMAP protocols. Okay, different protocols for different type of purposes. Okay. Ping uses ICMP protocol. This entire communication, ping communication done by one protocol. So how client, or how destination understand you send a ping request based on the protocol. Okay, my system received a
first we put the uh, domain name and then we got an IP address after that
yeah,
of that
reply from this IP
domain.
address. This IP address means this is my destination. I get a reply from destination means I send a request. I get a response. So two-way communication is there. Clear communication, two-way connectivity is there. That's why we are getting reply. If you are getting different outcome, then we have to think. Means destination host not reachable. Means you are unable to ping. Unable to it's unable to reach. That kind of stuff.
Sir, in general word, we say that our ping is coming high. So what does that means?
Ping is
Ping is high, we are not able to connect or we are not able to communicate. In
that
general word, so we use the word that ping is high, our net is not working or something else, we are not able to connect.
okay, maybe that thing is, for example, your network is busy. Okay, the network is busy. So what happened? You try to ping, so you are getting this time is more time taken for a reply purpose. Means more busy, more. It's the destination is giving very slow outcome.
Okay.
Think like this, guys. I need another paintbrush. Ping is high time. You send a request, your server is very busy. It will take long time. Another one is your server is very long distance. Means it's very you reach. It will take time to give a reply. Okay, that is one thing, and different type of outcomes also there. Okay. So I will tell the troubleshooting thing. So I want to tell 2 points. One is ping. What is ping? Ping tells your device able to communicate with the destination or not. It's a test, the connectivity between devices. So how to test ping destination? In this case, I use my destination is www.google.com. My destination is google.com is my destination. Okay, here I use like a ping from this to this. Okay, I get a reply means from me to google.com connectivity is there. And if I get a reply here, that from here to here connectivity. If it is giving different kind of outcome, like a destination host not reachable, request timed out, it means there is an issue. Destination host unreachable or a request timed out means there is an issue. One more command I am telling, that is called a trace-rt. The point is ping and trace-rt commands, guys. What ping will do? Are you able to reach www.google.com or not? Right? What trace-rt will tell? Trace-rt tells how you reach destination. How can you able to reach the destination? I will show you that output also. Yes, I am using trace-rt. Okay, so I'm pinging, I'm getting a reply. It means connectivity is there or not. But this is trace-rt. How to reach somewhere? Like I have to reach. Can I reach railway station? Can I reach airport? Can I reach Delhi? That is ping. How I reach? How I'm reaching? The path. Okay. How can I able to reach? Tells how to reach the destination. How you reach the destination means will tells the path. So there is so many routers are there in network. Can you see TraceRT google.com? First I got an IP address of Google www.google.com server. Next, from my laptop to my gateway. From my laptop to my gateway means my router. My router to ISP. ISP to another ISP. Same ISP but different routers inside. And some other routers. Finally I reach the destination. Finally, I reach the destination. Okay. So you should reach by 30 hops. 30 hops means 30 routers. Guys, Tracert will tell how you reach the destination. The path. So why I'm telling Tracert, because of I told about a router. For example, this PC want to ping to this PC. Connectivities there are not. So the ping request go to this, finally reached. So I'm getting, yes, you are able to communicate. Okay. But how you communicate? How you reach this particular destination? How you reach this particular destination? From here to here, how you reach? You go to this, first step, second, third, fourth, then you reach the destination. How you reach the destination? Tracert will tell this path. Ping will tell, are you able to reach or not? That's it. Understand, guys, difference between Tracert and ping? There's a two
Yes.
comments. Understand? You are pinging to some PC. Okay, pinging to your destination IP. Reply from destination IP address. What is that meaning? Good. Connectivity is there. Connectivity is there. You may get a destination host unreachable. Means destination PC, destination device down. Maybe wrong IP address. Maybe enter wrong IP address. A destination device is down or disconnected. Destination device is disconnected. You'll get a request timed out. Okay, you may get a request timed out. Request timed out, either all these things. One more is there, that is called a firewall block. So firewall is blocking your connectivity. Okay, firewall is blocking your connectivity. So this is thing. Okay, I will show you all this output, guys. LS. Okay. First is ping. I'm pinging to one of my thing, which is 116.192.1 to my actually default gateway. I'm pinging. See, reply from destination means connectivity is there. For example, I'm trying to connect to my some device. Okay, network is not changes. See, destination from my IP address. That is what is 59 is not destination IP. It is my IP. Destination host not reachable. Reply to my PC IP address. Destination host not reachable. Means maybe the device is not there. Maybe I enter some wrong IP address. Maybe I enter wrong IP address. Maybe destination is not available. It is shut down, or maybe disconnected. Destination is disconnected. Got it, guys? What is the difference between reply from destination, reply from your own PC, destination host not reachable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So small change I will do. This one. Right, is try to find reach this network I'm getting. Just don't worry about IP address. See the outcome. Request timed out. Request item means either the destination wrong IP address, destination is down, or it can be very distant, very long distance. The path is not there. To reach this device, path is not there. Okay, the path problem, or maybe firewall problem. Maybe firewall problem. Maybe the path not available. Unclear kind of stuff.
Destination is down, wrong IP address, and correction.
Okay. So we get from here, right? So this is a pinging successful ping, and this is not successful ping. Yeah, I will change the username. That is my PC username. I will do normal connection. Okay. Next. Okay. This is all ping commands outcome. This is also very good for your troubleshooting purpose, guys. You do pinging from one system to another system, then you will get a reply from destination. Good. If you got destination host not reachable, check the IP address and also check the destination. Device is turned on or not. You got request timed out, same as for this troubleshooting plus firewall or maybe wrong IP address. Possible. Okay, firewall related that one again we'll see separately. So I told about devices, ping, Tracert command, and what are the how to test the network with ping outputs, how to understand network connectivity with the ping output. Yes, compulsory read, but I told very less part today, but it is look like bigger one. Okay, so meet you on Monday. So we'll discuss the remaining part of networking.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Also,
Thank you, sir.
Tata.